LANs, WLANs, WANs, the Internet, and Ubiquiti products. Any device that acts as a point along which data passes on the network is called a node. A local area network, or LAN for short, is a group of interconnected nodes, typically in the same physical location. Network administrators configure, control, and manage the LAN, most notably through network address assignment. After receiving an address to communicate on the network, a node is described as a host. The contents of host traffic are identified by its unique network address. Although local hosts share common address characteristics, each host traffic is identified by its unique network addresses. In general, a network switch is a node that increases the size of the LAN. Whenever local hosts connect to switch ports to communicate locally, the switch acts as a local segment. The International Standards Group, IEEE 802, including 802.2 and 802.3, discusses LAN technology in great detail. Nodes with wireless radio capability are called stations. Ad hoc describes stations that communicate independent of LAN infrastructure. In contrast, a wireless LAN, or WLAN for short, allows wireless clients to connect to and communicate on the local network through access points, devices which increase the size of the LAN by broadcasting or announcing the existence of the wireless network. Because stations connect to the access point to join the WLAN, access points also serve as a local segment. IEEE 802.11 describes wireless LAN technology standards such as 802.11r for fast roaming or 802.11ac, the fifth generation of Wi-Fi. By definition, the Wide Area Network, or WAN for short, represents the greater network beyond the boundaries of the LAN. Also known as gateways, routers sit on the boundary between LANs and the WAN. Compared to switches, which move traffic between the LAN, routers are responsible for moving local host traffic between the LAN and the WAN, and also between different LANs. Synonymous with the WAN, the Internet is a global system of routers owned and maintained by different Internet service providers, or ISPs for short, who together enable network traffic to reach its intended destination on the Internet. Compared to ISPs who use AirMax, AirFiber, EdgeMax, and other Ubiquiti platforms to build broadband Internet networks, IT administrators work with the unified product families to manage, scale, and monitor LAN, WLAN, and WAN for enterprise users in industries such as education, hospitality, government, and more.